Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can use TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel for fully free. By using this tool you can easily grow your YouTube channel faster. Okay, before the start, let me show you some examples of TubeBuddy. Like, let me go someone's YouTube channel. Like here I come someone's YouTube channel and I'm using TubeBuddy. You can see that, like here I'm using TubeBuddy. Here you can see everything by using TubeBuddy, like his analytics and his videos, his viewers and everything. And the most important thing, if you go some random videos, you can see his SEO score, you can see his rank tags, creator suggestions, and most important thing, you can see their tags. This is very important because if you use these tags in your videos also grow like him. I'm not telling you to copy everything, but you can get ideas from them. Okay, whatever, let me show you how you can use TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel. Okay, let me come here in a new Chrome. Okay, like this. Now let me do it in here. Okay, now first what you have to do is, like, have to click here in here 3 dots. Just click here, come to extensions and go to visit Chrome web store. Click here and it will load for a few seconds. Then you can come here, then search here TubeBuddy and then press enter. And in this page, in this top of this page, you can see here TubeBuddy. Just click here and add to Chrome. Just add to Chrome here and click add extension. Then it will take a few time to adding in your browser. It will work any browser what you use. Okay, it's loading. Let me say you something important about this tool. You can SEO everything, even your title, keywords and even thumbnails using this tool. Okay, you can see it's just we are just done this, and here you can see they just redirect us in their website. We just have to close this tab and have to go our YouTube. Let me go to your YouTube channel. Okay guys, here I am coming to my YouTube channel, and then you have to click here TubeBuddy sign in. Just click here and then give them permission and then sign in. It's loading, you can see. Then it will redirect you in this page and then you have to log in. Just click login and then continue everything. It's again loading. Maybe my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. Okay, you have to allow all of this access. Just allow. Don't afraid of this because this is YouTube certified. Okay, then what you have to do is, like, you have to go in your YouTube channel and view channel, and here you can see we are done. We are just add the extension of TubeBuddy in our YouTube channel, and here we can operate everything. Okay guys, bye bye.